To announce the Baltimore Ravens selection, please welcome from the University of Tennessee, the 5th overall draft pick by the Ravens in 2000, running back Jamal Lewis.
Thanks. With the 42nd pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Baltimore Ravens select Kamalei Correa, linebacker, Boise State.
Kamalei Correa, linebacker.
Trouble again, he is sacked.
2015 second team All-Mountain West.
Hey, this kid's got fun tape, folks. A lot of the country hasn't heard of him. 6'2.5", 243. Best fits a 3-4 defense. He will fit what Baltimore does. He'll set the edge physically and violently. He gets off, and he's got a burst in the pass game. He's relentless. I watched him against the University of Virginia make a play on a scramble where he must have run 50 yards to hold the quarterback for no gain. Here he is off the backside, takes on the tackle, sets a violent edge. He's shorter than people like, but his motor and quickness will separate him in the NFL. Baltimore will know how to use him. He'll get covered up a little bit in the run game, but he does not ever stop coming after the football. Here's the hustle I'm talking about. 60 yards down the field, making a tackle. Charles, I love watching him play.
And that play that you just saw there against Utah State, do you know what he did the very next play? Crashed inside and ended up making a one-arm tackle after that type of a run. He will help them. Terrell Suggs coming off of his second ACL.